Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to learn about how we can quickly view private TikTok account without following. Since we don't have that specific feature of directly viewing the private account, because here we will be focusing on what really works to get the results that we need. And let's get started and see how we can use TikTok in order to view a private account. And let's go on with the process. So first of all, you may launch your TikTok app and wait for the TikTok app to be loaded on your screen. After it is loaded, what you're going to do is simply head over and search for the TikTok account that you're looking for. For example, this person right here. So after going to the person's profile whose account is private, when you head over to the account, you can find this section where you can find information here below which says this account is private. And in order to follow this account and in order to see the content and engagement of this particular account, you need to follow this account. But since we don't want to follow this account, what may be the process you may follow instead? So right now we don't have this feature available here. So what we can do is directly head over to the TikTok settings. For that, head over to profile at the bottom right. After that, on the top you can find a menu bar. Just head over and click on it, and you're gonna go ahead and tap on the settings and privacy of your TikTok. After that, here you're going to locate a problem called report a problem here. So just go ahead and tap on report a problem. You may directly go ahead and interact with the customer care of the TikTok application. So you can directly find the chat with us section at the bottom. Just go ahead and click on it. And after clicking on it, you're going to go ahead and tap on account. After going on account, there are some queries that you need to, ask. So you're going to look out for the option called how can we view the TikTok account without following them. Otherwise, if you can't find the solution from here, we may directly report it. In order to report it, you may just go to the how to report section and report an account or report a comment or report a direct message. There are different kind of options available. So you're just gonna go ahead and report the account which you want to view without following. After that is done, you may just wait for some days and TikTok will respond to your questions and your queries, and you should be able to get some solution regarding how you can view those. So therefore, that's how you basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.